Kalyan Foundation Health Initiative is to create awareness on the International Day of Yoga 2020, which aims to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India. Today, it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow universally. Yoga is an invaluable gift from our ancient tradition. Yoga embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, a holistic approach that is valuable to our health and our well-being. Yoga is not just about exercise, it is a way to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and the nature. The resolution notes the importance of individuals and populations making healthier choices and following lifestyle patterns that foster good health. In this regard, the World Health Organization has also urged its member states to help their citizens reduce physical inactivity, which is among the top 10 leading cause of death worldwide and a key risk factor for non-communicable diseases. The theme for 2020 is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Social distancing measures adopted by countries to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Yoga is a powerful tool to deal with the stress of uncertainty and isolation as well as to maintain physical well-being. The World Health Organization mentions yoga as a means to improve health in its Global Action Plan on Physical Activity from 2018 to 2030, More Active People for a Healthier World. With schools closed and summer break activities cancelled, parents may find it challenging to keep their children physically active. Yoga can help. UNICEF says kids can practice many yoga poses without any risk and get the same benefits that adults do. These benefits include increased flexibility and fitness, mindfulness and relaxation. To fight with COVID-19, with Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, on the International Day of Yoga 2020, mark your participation by filling in the details in the form as mentioned. Join with your family on 21st June 2020 from your respective homes for doing a 45-minute long common yoga protocol at 7 a.m. Introductory session will start at 6:15 a.m. on Doordarshan. Continue to provide live demonstration of common yoga protocol. It is specially designed to be easily adoptable by majority of the people, irrespective of their age and gender, and can be learnt through simple training sessions, even through online classes. Individuals facing health issues are advised to consult a physician before taking up yoga practice. The official hashtag on social media, I do yoga at home.